Reports feature in our product line is a powerful tool, enabling you to quickly extract and analyze your data. This tutorial will cover basic report customization and how to contact our support team to assist in more complex queries and operations. These operations covered in this tutorial require supervisory access if you are running EasyAgent or Agency Pro. Our reports query the databases using a SQL command. Most of the reports in this list allow you to modify the SQL command to your desired effect by clicking the edit icon and changing the code. The SQL command has 4 general sections: the select statement, which tells which fields to display on the report; the from statement, that tells which tables to pull the information from; the where statement is the filter and table connections; and the order by or group by statement that tells how to order the results. If you have a report that is tough to read, even in landscape orientation, and you have a field or two that can be sacrificed, you can select this report and click the edit icon, then remove the unwanted fields from the select statement. This should make the report easier to read. When you make a change to an existing report, we advise to change the name, if only slightly, so that the changes will not be overwritten with the next program update. In my case, I will simply put the word custom in front of the name. More often, you will use the user-defined report to build a new report template. Let's create a new business report that shows us all of the policies in a certain time frame. Double-click the user-defined report and from the Tables drop-down choose Policy. Next, we want to address the report filters and typically address the date ranges first. I only want to report on last month, and next month I will want to report on this month, so I wish to keep my dates as variables. We choose in the first drop-down effective date, with the condition of greater than or equal to, then choose the value of from date. We activate the next line by clicking the and or drop-down and choosing and. Then we define the to date in the same manner. By choosing the field of effective date, the condition of less than or equal to, then to date from the value. On the third line, I will designate the policy filter for only new business by first choosing and to activate the line, choosing the field of transaction, the equal sign under conditions, then choose new business under value. I will use the fourth line to eliminate quotes from my report by choosing and to activate the line, selecting field of policy type, choosing the does not equal condition, then quote for the value. You will see that many of our book of business reports are filtered similarly. Now we move down to the available fields to select the things we want to see on this report. I will select policy number, coverage class, company, premium, client name, and client rep by clicking the right arrows as I move through the list. Then move the client name to the top of the selected fields by highlighting and clicking the up arrow. Last, I will choose the order of the report as client rep, as I wish to see how much new business is written by each rep. As you've made these selections, the program is building the SQL code in the resulting SQL code box. This code can be modified by hand if you have experience in building SQL code, but any changes made above will eliminate those customizations. Before we save this template, we will test the report by clicking OK, entering test criteria, and making sure we have what we want from the report. You can close the preview and continue to modify the report, or if you are satisfied with it, close the preview and click Save. Enter a report description, a report category, and check the date range box if the report requires a date range as ours does. Click OK, then cancel the query wizard and your new report template is saved to your reports list. You may need assistance to build more complex reports. A great way to get help with reports is to send an email to support with the details of the report you wish to run. Our support team many times can build your report and send you back the SQL code along with simple instructions to add the report to your list.